Hey guys, how's it going? This is hopefully Sunday with another video. Today we're gonna review this ETF named QDTE. This is a cover call strategy. Actually, I own this ETF. It's in my stock portfolio. So we're gonna dive in and see what it's this all about. And not only that, for disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my review, and I'm still learning because I'm a new investor too, and I'm a beginner. So we're gonna see how this perform and if it's gonna perform like it had been on daily basis and distributing those dividends. So we're gonna scroll down and it says that QDTE utilizes a synthetic cover call strategy that seeks to provide current income on a weekly basis, while also providing exposure to the price return of the Innovation 100 index. It says still that distribution rate 35.54%, 30 days of yield is negative 0.58%. So we're gonna scroll a little bit more down and see the overview. The Roundhill Innovation 100 OECD covered call strategy is the first ETF to utilize 0-day expiry options on an innovation index that's defined in the fund prospectus. QDTE seeks to provide overnight exposure to the Innovation 100 index and generate income each morning by selling out of money ODTE costs on the index. So it's an actively managed ETF. All right, so this is pretty much they do. They sell options premium, like it says over here. Why QDTE? QDTE seeks to pay weekly distributions, selling options premium. So we're gonna scroll down and see that income potential. It seeks to generate income through a cover call strategy on the Innovation 100 index. Harness volatility. QDTE sells ODT options on the Innovation 100 index and seeks to exploit structural market mispricings. This harness volatility, it seems that it's going up and down. So that means that we're gonna see how this cover call strategy ETF, how they perform, because they have been out there only a year and 3 months, because we're on the 2025. This was released on the 2024. So it's kind of new. We haven't had that inside. We haven't had that years before how they perform. So we don't know exactly if they're gonna keep on this basis whether they pay weekly dividends. So we're gonna find out. And like I said, we're here to the investing journey, and we're gonna see if they can keep up with all the volatility and probably recession. Not yet. I don't see the stock market as a recession in my understanding, but we'll see how they perform. So we will scroll down. We're gonna see the fund details like the ticker and the primary exchange ratio. So the exchange ratio is 0.95%. It's kind of high, to be honest. There's ETF where you're pay like 0.3% of that. The famous one is BOO and BTI. So BOO is the S&P 500, and BTI is the whole exposure of the market of the United States. So when you invest over $10,000, you pay a fee. Like for BOO and BTI, you pay 3%, 0.03%. So that means that they're gonna pay over $30 for every 10,000 they invest. For this specific ETF, it's gonna be over $100 for every 10,000 you invest. So the total market, it's $704.93 million, and like I said, they launched it last year, so it had been performing only 1 year, and they specifically they sell premium options. So yes, guys, so this is pretty much a little bit more knowing of QDTE. Like I said, they haven't performed a long time, just 1 year, and we can see that they get this premium options by the index 100 index. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much my review. and we're gonna see how they perform. Over here we can see the closing price is $35.82. The change is 0.15, change 0.42%. The bid is 0.03%. And we can see that they haven't updated this part where it says analyze performance because it have been only 1 year out there. But yeah, guys, pretty much this is an ETF that sells premium options, and they pay weekly dividends of those distributions. But yeah, guys, if you're interested on this ETF, do your own research, and if you are very interested, go ahead and invest on this ETF. I know my own risk why I invested, because I want to see if you can be really owning those dividends weekly and keep performing like that. So I'm gonna see, and you guys gonna watch it, because you guys gonna be watching all the whole investing journey and see those dividends going. And because the thing is that when it's kind of the stock market's on volatility, the dividends seems to go lower than they used to, because they pay 13.33 annually for share. So it's kind of like not knowing how many of the dividends you're gonna own for next week and that other week, because of the same thing. The stock market is always going up and down, so it's part of the journey. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this kind of videos, and we're gonna see later on how this goes.